In these problems, we're looking at finding percents of values and doing some other work with percents. And this is actually some math that's pretty useful. The first question says the sales tax rate is 7%. What is the tax on a $29 purchase? You might find yourself in this position. Let's say you want to buy something that costs $29 and you have exactly $30.50 in your pocket. The sales tax rate is 7%. Do you have enough money? You can figure that out by doing some quick math. To find out what the amount of tax would be on this $29 purchase, you just multiply the percent times the purchase price. So 7% times $29. However, you can't just multiply something that's a percent. You have to convert it to a decimal first. The way to convert a percent to a decimal is to move the decimal place 2 points. And then you fill in with the zeros there. So 7% becomes 0.07. Now we multiply. So let me do the multiplication here. We've got $29 times 0.07. 7 times 0 is 0, 7 times 0 is 0, 7 times 9 is 63, 7 times 2 is 14, plus 6 is 20. And then where to put the decimal point? We have 1, 2, 3, 4 digits behind the decimal place. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So it looks like the tax here is going to be $2.03. So the total cost is going to be $31.03. So if you had $30.50 in your pocket, you're out of luck. Let's look at another problem with percents. It says, what is 20% as a decimal number? And as I mentioned, when you're converting from a percent to a decimal, you take that decimal point and you move it over 2 places to the left. So that's going to end up being 0.2. And the last one here says, what is 25% as a reduced fraction? And turning percents into fractions is really easy because percent, this thing, means per 100 or divided by 100. So 25% is 25 divided by 100. That's not your answer though. That's a good step along the way, but we have to reduce this. So you have to figure out what you can take out of both the top and the bottom. The number 5 jumps out at me. If I take a 5 out of the top, 25 divided by 5 is 5. 100 divided by 5 is 20. But it looks like it can take 5 out again. 5 divided by 5 is 5, sorry, is 1. And 20 divided by 5 is 4, and you get 1/4. And that makes sense. 25% of something is 1/4 of it, or 1/4. 25 cents is a quarter of a dollar. So that's a little bit of work with percents.